Color code emails and Outlook. Select View, then click on View Setting. Hit on Conditional Formatting, and in the dialog box, click on Add. Type a name for your rule in the name box. Then click Font. Select how you want the font to appear. For this example, select Bold under Font Style. Select Teal from Color drop-down. Select Normal font size. Click OK. Click Condition. Click the From button and select a person from your contacts or type in their email address. Click OK 3 times. Email is now color-coded. Secret number 2. How to navigate from Outlook Home to Outlook Calendar in just one click. If we do Control 1 on our keyboard, it will navigate us to Inbox, and Control 2 will open up our calendar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.